Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, November 6, 2019. Here she is, our 1940 16-foot Lyman yacht tender with aft-facing aft cockpit has finished her preservation experience. Her old-growth Cypress hull sides just glisten under the 30-plus coats of varnish we applied to her. The varnish was Pettit high build. Mickey Dupuis D&S Custom Metal Restoration did a masterful job on her hardware. Shauna Whiting, Cochin Instruments in Minnesota, just outdid herself with this dash panel, this gauge panel. The upholstery was all done by Mark's Upholstery in Middlebury, Vermont. Gail is just the best of the best when it comes to upholstery. And my wife and I went round and round on the issue of naming. She was Susan from day one. I felt she should remain Susan. We should match the hand-painted lettering with new lettering that was identical to the original lettering. Was not Shirley's choice. This, for the most part, will be Shirley's boat unless and until she, the boat that is, finds new stewards to enjoy and care for her for decades and decades to come. So, given that we're approaching the middle of November, we have snow forecast on the ground for this coming Friday and Thursday, maybe 4 inches, which is nothing up here in the northern climes, but it is the first snow. So even though Lake Champlain, what with the monsoon rains we had last Thursday and Friday, right here where we live in Weybridge, Vermont, we received 5 inches of rain in 12 hours. Lake Champlain's come up over 2 feet since then. So we got plenty of water. We could take Susan out and give her sea trial romp. But the water's down to about 50 degrees. It is just not the right time to do a sea trial on her engine, which was totally rebuilt by Robert Henkel, Chris-Craft-Parts.com in Marine City, Michigan. So with that, we will park her in the storage facility, cover her with a protective dust cover for the winter, and as soon as we get an opportunity, she will be on the water next spring. She will ride to the water and elsewhere on her custom-made, custom-designed, one boat only trailer that the incredible people at Loadmaster in Port Clinton, Ohio, Megan, her dad, and the rest of her family, there's nobody better to work with when it comes to trailers. This trailer is in this beautiful Vermont green. It's all steel. The hull is extremely well supported from stem to stern. And I can tell you, having towed it back from Port Clinton, it is just a wonderful trailer to have behind your tow vehicle. So with that, thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.